guys, so we are day 22. So today is glasses day. So I gotta go in here, get my eye exam, get some new glasses. So take me on with me. Hello. Hello. Hi. This is a yes. That's a yes. And it's different, but because I'm considering two. I don't know about this one. This one's similar to the glasses that I already have. I have a glasses similar to this one. And I sort of like this. What do you think about this one? What do you think, Mom?
Safe.
I know. I'm getting this. I'm just getting a second pair.
So you're getting two pairs or one?
Yeah, two pair.
You're getting two pairs?
Yeah. I've flexible spending money. But I like this one.
I like that too.
Yeah. And I don't have nothing like this. And the good thing, my eyes didn't change that much, so I can still wear my other glasses. This eye's a little bit different.
This is close to the one. You have? The speckle one that you have? No?
No, smaller. Way smaller.
Okay.
I really like this one. Alright. And this one is to add that. Oh, but you love, I love these. Look.
Yeah, those are nice.
I love these. I love the shape. Yep. Look at my mom's new glasses. Do this so I can see your face. Oh, me like. It's cute, Ma. I know the look. It's not the look yet. When you get your full transformation, I know the vision you're looking for. But I like.
I'm ready, yeah.
You ready? You ready? I don't know where you're going yet, but we're going somewhere. I see you watching all those videos of these people acting a fool. We're gonna have you doing something. I think we need to stop marching over right there at the end. No, right? Let's cross over. Yeah, let's cross over. So we don't go too far down. guys, so we are back. My first day back with my family, well, my mama. It was a long day. We went to the eye doctor, which good thing is these glasses are still good, but you know I still had to get new glasses because I have to. My hair is a mess because we're just gonna do this real quick. And then we went to Barnes & Noble. She picked up 2 books. One of the books she didn't get, she wanted 2 copies of. They only had 1. And then I bought some books because I had a gift card. So I got 4 books, which I'll do tomorrow. Because I will go through them tomorrow. But today, we're going to get some Christmas tree up in here. Yeah, we're going to put the Christmas tree up. This is what I got that I picked up, and it's what make in here look Christmassy and put some decoration up because it just looks like not Christmas. And so that's the goal. So put this together. I'm gonna fix this camera so it looks a little better. It's a little off so that you can see me putting this together and decorating it. So that's the goal for tonight. Yeah, let's start this. Just, you know, push it back a little bit. It's pretty. Right on sale because it's last minute, so everything was 50% off. Yes. So we do a fake tree this year. And then you will have it every year, and we don't have to be arguing with people, and the tree will be up every year. And it's pretty. And it costs what I would have been paid for a real tree, because it's on sale. I gotta fluff it up a little bit, but it's good.
You got lights and stuff on it already? You gotta put like...
It has lights on it. I need the extension cord. Ooh, you're gonna need the extension cord.
This one, you got the decorations already?
Yeah, there's that, and I bought some fresh ones.
It's not one in the bag?
Extension cord?
Yeah, it should be one that we always use.
No, we never keep it in the bag. It's always out here.
I don't know, that you know the one we're gonna have for years.
Yeah, ask Mom.
Oh, where that extension cord we always use for the Christmas tree?
To the top link, straighten it to the top. Oh, sorry. There you go.
Actually, while you're here, let's put the star on top. I'm not gonna be able to get this started. Look at this. You know this is a page.
What's this doing?
The star, huh?
Crazy.
What happened? No. That's construction work?
Yeah.
Where are they that they didn't follow protocol? That looked like they lock in safety protocol. Mom, the star wasn't in here? No. We don't have the star. No, yeah. If I find it in the morning, I'll leave it. But the star, you know the star we normally put, I don't see it. These are all, you know. Huh? No. I don't think that's gonna fit anyway. No, that's not it. It was a star, an actual star. No. You guys, damn, has that been that long since we...
I'm on time.
Alright. Alright. I'm exhausted, guys. I am gonna end this vlog here. Today was just a long active day. Tomorrow I'm gonna wrap some gifts, and I'm not sure what I plan to do tomorrow yet, but I'm gonna get back to this tree tomorrow because it's not completely done because I'm missing my star for the top, and there's some stuff that could be done. Plus, down here I gotta clean up and finish decorating the stairs, all that good stuff. But it's been a really good day. I'm so glad to be with my family, hang out with my mom all day, so that was fun. But I'm exhausted. Been up super early, and you know, all that driving and stuff, and yeah. I'm going to bed. So I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.